Good evening to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing very well and everything has gone very well for you. The day you have spent and is going to be best for you for the next day. As you know, I have relation to you through my videos and through different applications, through new applications that are going to explore new informations for you, new benefits for you, and very surely I am very sure that you have installed those applications and at least tried them, whether they benefit you or not. So I am here again for the students specifically, like they need AI chatbot for different purposes, for different usages on daily basis, and the use of AI chat is so much limitized. You have to install new applications and new other applications on daily basis. Like some has 3 messages only for free trials, some has 6, some has 10, some has 20. I have made one video on the application with 20 free messages. So let's see how many messages today's application is going to give us. Here I have opened it, AI chat bot, and it has a name of AI chat assistant. So after opening it, you would have some 5 points here which you need to agree with to start to use this application. So click on agree and start, and right here it is showing us how many questions you can have here and how much information you can gather from here. So how to use it, let me show you. You just have to write here definition of sarcasm and click on send, and when you have clicked on send, then just see here that the definition of sarcasm is appeared here. So here what's the next benefit is that you can just go for its examples, and it will surely give you the examples of sarcasm. Just see, it is giving me it has given me the examples of sarcasm. Sure, here are some examples of sarcasm, and like if you have started one topic, then you don't have any need to write the name of the topic again and again in each question you are going to ask it. Now I am going to have some benefits of sarcasm. Benefits, let's just write its benefits. And there's been an ad because my phone was connected to internet, because we all know we can't use AI chatbot without having some internet on our phone. So let's just go back from here, and its benefits we were searching for and may not always be considered beneficial, as it can sometimes create misunderstandings, hurt feelings, or negative communication patterns. However, in certain contexts, sarcasm can have some potential benefits. Then there are 4 points and the conclusion as well. So next, you can also ask it ask for its disadvantages, and I didn't write I didn't write any of the word here like sarcasm again and again. So let's just see here. There were three free questions answers for me to use in this application. And when I am sending the fourth one, they're asking me to buy premium. I won't buy because I have made another video on the application with 20 free messages, and I am very much sure that you have used that application and you have utilized it for your personal usages. Now, just see what you can do to the next level. You can also speak from here, there's an option of speak button, and those who don't need spellings or writings or pronunciation don't have that, then they can surely speak from here. So here, as you know, that someone can speak through here and just learn the pronunciations and spellings. This is specifically for the people, for the students who can't learn spellings easily, and when they are searching something, they could mix it out, like whether we are searching this thing or whether we are searching another spelling of the similar pronunciation. So this service button is for those people. And next to it, you can also search any image from your gallery. What image do you want to create? So just see, if you want to create any image here, a tree or and a mountain on the beach, or anything else, a lake running through the mountains, or the like mountains of that specific country or city or state, those kind of things, then it will surely create an image for you. And then what you have to do, you have to go to settings and have some other things from here, like user code, its term of use, privacy policy, and you can, if you want to buy premium, then you can have from it. Then clear chat history, click on clear chat history and clear. Now we will, when we will go back to hit the screen, main screen, just see it's empty. So that's how you can use AI chatbot, AI assistant, and it's so easy. So I am very hopeful that you will like this video and watch this until you are going to watch my have my other videos, and suggest me that on which applications I should make some other information videos.